Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I will share with you the recipe for dal mash. If you want any other recipe, then comment. I will share that recipe with you soon. And if you want to ask something, you can also comment. Let's start. Take 250 grams of dal mash, wash it well and soak it in clean water for 1 hour. After 1 hour, pour water into a pan and put the soaked dal in boiling water. Remove the foam that appears on the top of the water while boiling and boil the dal for 50%. Now, strain the dal and keep it aside. On the other hand, take 3 large onions and chop them roughly. Place a pan on the stove and add 300 grams of cooking oil. Now, add the chopped onion to the hot oil and cook until it turns light brown. Until the onions are brown, finely chop 6 or 7 green chilies. Two inches of ginger, and 2 head of garlic. When the onions are light brown, now add the chopped ginger, garlic, and green chilies, and fry again for 5 or 6 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of salt to taste and fry again. Take 2 tomatoes and chop them like onions. Add tomatoes into roasted spices and fry again for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of cumin and dried coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, and fry it for 2 or 3 minutes. Now take a chopper and add all the roasted spices in it and add a large spoon of curd and chop finely. Now add the finely chopped spices back to the pan and fry for a little while. Then add the boiled lentils and fry for another 5 minutes. Now add about 2 cups of water and cook until the lentils are tender. Stir the spoon in between so that the lentils do not stick to the bottom of the pan.
पानी कहाँ गिरा करो।
While the lentils are cooking, chop the coriander and finely chop the ginger. Now, sprinkle coriander in the lentils and add more ginger pieces. If you have cream, add that too. If not, add milk mixture or just add coriander and serve. If you like this video, then like it and subscribe to the channel. And do let me know how was the recipe in the comments. Thank you.